Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon set number 10, text formatting for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. To access these features, I need to be working within a text box in a Google Slide Deck. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to highlight my sample text and then explain each of the options. The first option is changing the font of the text. I can click this drop-down menu and then alter the font to whichever style I most desire. I can also increase my text size by clicking the increase button, and I can even decrease it. If there is a predetermined size I prefer, I can click on the number here and then select it from the options available. I can bold, italicize, underline, change the text color, and highlight the text from these options available here. If I need to revert my changes, I can click on highlight color and change it to transparent. I can click on text color and change it back to my original color. And to undo, underline, italicize, and bold, all I have to do is click on those buttons. If I want to insert a link into a section of text, I can click on this option. I can now insert a link to an external source or to another slide within the presentation, depending on what I need to do. I can also add a comment about a particular section of a slide by highlighting the section of text that needs a comment. If I wish my comment to remain, I need to click the yellow comment box. If not, I can click cancel. I can also change the alignment of the text by clicking on this drop-down arrow and then adjusting it as I see fit. This can be very useful to make your slides visually different from one another, depending upon the information that is being shared. I can also adjust my line spacing by clicking on this option and then changing it to my preferred spacing. I can also create a numbered list and even alter the list to have my preferred numbered formatting, or I could create a bulleted list, which can also have further customization. I can also increase the indent of certain sections of text or decrease it as may be needed. I can also click on clear formatting to revert the text back to its original formatting for this slide style. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.